In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sony A6500 to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which smartphone you have, either an Android phone or an iPhone, you will be able to connect your Sony camera to transfer over photos and use the live remote feed. So in order to connect your A6500, you will need to set it up to a Wi-Fi network that it's going to create. So to start, on your smartphone, download the Imaging Edge mobile application. This is how you can set up most Sony cameras. So look for IEM or Imaging Edge Mobile either on the Google Play Store if you are on Android or the App Store if you are on iOS. Once you have this downloaded, now set up the camera. Go over to the settings and go into the wireless category. So it is this icon here. Once you go into wireless, first, check to see if airplane mode has been disabled, so airplane mode needs to be turned off, and after this you can set up the Wi-Fi network. So one of the options at the top should be Send to Smartphone under the wireless category. Choose Send to Smartphone and then select on this device. Now you will be able to use your A6500 to send over any photos, videos, and so on. Now you will be given a QR code and an ID for a specific network that you can connect into. So your camera is going to create a network and you have to connect into this network created by the camera to set it up. I recommend using the QR code instead of the ID, but you can manually connect using the password. So you just choose this option here and you will be given the password to manually connect. If you open the Imaging Edge mobile application, you can see the option here, connect a new camera. So camera connection / registration. Once you tap this, you will be asked to either scan the QR code or to manually connect into the network. As I've said before, I believe the QR code is easier. And then you simply point your camera to the QR code displayed on the Sony A6500. Once you point your camera and scan the QR code, the A6500 or any other model is going to be connected. So now you can transfer over anything on its storage, so photos, videos, or you can do a live shooting through your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony A6500 to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.